inspired by the 5F vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. Weaving together threads of heritage with modern technology, celebrating India's Textile Festival. The journey from farm to fibre, to factory to fashion to foreign. Bharat Tex 2024, the integrated event for textile, celebrates the brand new textile story of India. The next is now. Sustainability, traceability, circularity, AI-driven manufacturing, fashion forward. Crafted in India, designed for the world. Join the 4-day event to witness the largest textile value chain on a common platform and filled with spectacular cultural showcases and essential trade conversations spread across focused zones. G2G Connect, CEO roundtables, state sessions, theme pavilions, domestic and international buyer-seller meets, knowledge summits, fashion shows and more. Experience the fun, excitement and euphoria. Weave your network, weave your future with Bharat Tex 2024.